We said we would keep you up to date, and look, the next day at Paultons Park, the crane is on site. The ride has really taken shape for the supports. Much larger ones are going in, the corners are going in, they are working on site. It's fantastic to see. You can definitely see this coming over. Now, I'm not sure this is the tallest one either. I think this one that's incomplete will be the tallest one. As we said, they come in sections. They were bolting the smaller ones together on the ground and then putting them up, but it's not so possible with these ones, so they are being done separately. So it'll take a little bit of time, but look at that. Look at that. We'll get a close up now and you'll be able to see it, but it's coming together really quickly here at Paultons Park. Crane can only mean one thing as well. Whilst the supports are going up, they'll be done, I'd imagine, in the next few days, maybe the next week. Then we might see some track going as well. Here is Serpents Curse over the last 24 hours since we were last at the park. And look at the lift hill reaching to the sky. Looks like the final piece is still to go in. This will be the top of the lift hill before we swoop down into the drop. A lot of the lower corner is done, but the first corner, the supports aren't quite in yet. So there's still some work to do, but look, this is fence level. This is now what you can see over the fence as you approach this area. And as we pan across, you can see over to the station and of course the start of the lift hill, where we will see that go in very, very soon here. It's all come along very quickly. All this pretty much in the last 24 hours. No sign of track going in yet. I guess it makes sense to get all the supports up first as we pan across the site. A completely different view already here in Valgard. The view is mad, it really is. The supports we saw go in yesterday, doesn't look like any more have gone in. There's still a couple to go in down here, but it's going to be the drop area where the supports are probably going to be concentrated on. I believe this one will be taller, the one that's there now, or certainly the same height as that will hold the top of the lift hill before the drop. I have to say, in person, it looks massive. It really does look huge before it swoops down into the first corner, back round, and then back round here. Right, let's get a final view from around the side there. Serpents Curse, look at this. A view of the area looking up really shows the scale of these supports as we head back, and really kind of gives you an appreciation just how big this area is as well. It's definitely a bigger footprint than what Draken is. It's taken up the whole side of Valgard. Bearing in mind we don't have a station built in yet. Of course, we don't have any water or anything in yet. So much space is being taken up by Serpents Curse. This is going to be a cracking ride. As we said, the last corner heading into this bit, which will be the splashdown, is in, but you can see some areas where supports haven't been installed yet. They'll be for the first drop or part of the first drop, but look at this, look. This is something else. It really is. There it is, and you can now see it not only above the fence, but also from outside the park. Serpents Curse coming along really nicely here at the park. We won't be back for a couple of days, and I suspect that considerably more will be done when we come back, but we wanted to show you that the crane is indeed on site. High level works are happening and it's all suddenly going to come together. Cannot wait. It looks incredible already. And the layout, I just can't wait to see it built. Just can't wait to see it built. Serpents Curse here at Paultons Park, opening in 2027. We've got some construction ahead of us, and we'll keep you covered.